In this lecture, I'll briefly go over the options you have for importing and exporting, and how you can enable more options than what's available by default. So if we go up into the File menu here, you can import models from the menu right here in all these different formats. And if you want to export your models to other software formats, you can export them using the options from this menu here. Now keep in mind these are just the default options, but you can enable more if you go over to the Edit menu and down into the Preferences. Then head over to the Add-ons tab here, and up here in the menu, go down to Import Export, and you have a lot of other options that are disabled by default. So if you wanted to import something from AutoCAD DXF, for example, you can enable that right here, and then that's going to show up in the Import menu right down there. Now another thing to keep in mind when importing or exporting is that you'll have a panel full of import or export options. For example, if I wanted to export this cube right here, I'll select it, go to File, go down to Export, and let's export this as a what? Let's export it as an OBJ. So I'll click on that, and then the file browser pops up. Now over on the right side here, we have all the different options for exporting it, including selection only. If we left that disabled, it's going to export everything in the scene. So if we only wanted to export the cube, we'll make sure to click on selection only, and then we can export it. Now those options might be different depending on the format you chose, but one of the common ones is that selected only option. So make sure you have that enabled if you only want your selection to be exported. And just keep that panel of options in mind when you go to import or export. There may be other really useful options in there for you. So that's going to do it for this quick lecture then, and I'll see you in the next lecture.